Hello everyone, my name is David Tucker, and welcome to the course Designing Machine Learning Solutions on Microsoft Azure. I am a cloud consultant and I help organizations every day plan, build, and implement custom data solutions in the cloud. I have over 15 years of experience in software architecture and development. Now, when working on data science initiatives, it can be challenging to gain actionable insights from your data set. In this course, Designing Machine Learning Solutions on Microsoft Azure, you will learn how to leverage Azure's machine learning capabilities to greatly increase the chance of success for your data science project. First, we will review team workflow and how Microsoft's team data science process enables best practices across disciplines. Next, we will review the workflow of the Azure Machine Learning Service and how it can be leveraged on your project. After this, we will review how to create a pipeline for your data preparation, model training, and model registration. Finally, we will review the infrastructure approaches that can be leveraged for machine learning and how these approaches are supported on Azure. When you are finished with this course, you will possess the skills that will be needed to start a data science project on Azure and the tools that will increase your ability to gain those actionable insights.